Come tour the Neabsco Commons condominiums with me. My name is Claudia Nelson. I'm a local Woodbridge, Virginia, Northern Virginia real estate agent. I bring you all things real estate, all things Northern Virginia. Hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Now let's continue this tour. We are in the upper unit. Neabsco Commons offers condominium, stacked condominiums 2 over 2 with one car garage. Here is the upper level condo, which is the larger of the two condominiums, and you see it has a covered balcony with fireplace. Beautiful upgraded kitchen. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, 1 half bath. The half bath is on the main level, the 2 full baths on the upper level, and you will see that shortly. This unit also has a rooftop terrace, so stay tuned until you get to see the view from the rooftop terrace. Prices range from the 500K, that's the lower unit, to the upper unit 600, the one with rooftop terrace 650, and then of course it depends on all the upgrades that you're putting in. We are on the upper level right now. You see the bedrooms and you see some of that view, but just wait until we get to the rooftop terrace. That's where you really have the great view. This is conveniently located close to Stonebridge at Potomac Town Center. Neabsco Commons is across the street from Freedom High School and right to Nova Community College. It is also very conveniently located close to I-95 and within a short driving distance from the Ripon Landing VRE station, making this an easy commutable community where you can get to Washington DC in 20 minutes, give or take, depending on traffic. This is also close to Neabsco Commons Boardwalk, and I will make sure to link all the videos about Neabsco Commons Stonebridge in the below description. Let's head up to that rooftop and let's check out the view from this beautiful rooftop terrace. Again, we are in Neabsco Commons. This is the upper level condominium. They are stacked condominiums. Here is the upper level, and this is the one with the rooftop terrace. Very, very spacious rooftop terrace. You can definitely have lots of parties. Right now, we still have a little bit of snow, but just imagine this in the spring, summer, or autumn. Beautiful for entertainment, and you even get to see the Potomac River. Again, a beautiful view from this rooftop terrace in Neabsco Commons. We are heading to the lower unit. We're going to be touring the lower unit after I give you another glimpse of this rooftop terrace. Let's tour the lower unit at Neabsco Commons. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 full baths, 1 half bath. It also offers a loft. They do have an option to have the loft into a 3rd bedroom. The price for the lower unit starts at $500,000. The builder is offering all closing costs paid. Now, if you're interested in Neabsco Commons, if you're interested in either the lower unit or upper unit condo, reach out to me. I am here to help, and we can figure out what your moving time frame is, how fast you want to move, what is currently available. My name is Claudia Nelson, local real estate agent. I can help you with all your Woodbridge, Virginia, Northern Virginia real estate needs. Reach out to me, 571-446-0002. Now let's continue touring this house. We are about to head to the upper level. Up there, you of course will see the bedrooms. This is the one with the loft. Again, the loft can be turned into a 3rd bedroom, and then you step out from the bedroom to the balcony. There is a bathroom there that services the 2 bedrooms, if there is 2 bedrooms, and the laundry room is also on the upper level. Even if you are enclosing the loft area, you still have a space there for a table or workout or whatever you want. There is a good size hallway that can be used as an office area. This is the guest bedroom, and then we are heading to the primary bedroom after that. Just wait. Again, this can be turned into a third bedroom, and the loft area where you see the table, that's always something that will be there, even if you're enclosing the loft area, the overall loft area. Here is the owner's bedroom with attached bathroom, double sink, shower, and large walk-in closet. This particular bedroom has a walkout to a covered patio, covered porch, so you can just sit there in the morning, have your coffee, or in the evening after work and sip a glass of wine. If you have any questions about Neabsco Commons, anything, reach out to me. I am here to help. My phone number 571-446-0002. My name is Claudia Nelson, eXp Realty. Hope to hear from you soon, and hit that like button and leave me a comment. What do you think about those homes? How do you like the covered porches? Let me know. Give me your thoughts.